I just... Hey there, welcome to this video. It's Femi here and I'm super glad you're here. If you are new, welcome to the fam. If you are returning, what are you doing? In today's video, as you've already read from the title, I am going to be prepooing my hair. A prepoo is a treatment that you do before you shampoo your hair. This is to make your hair more manageable after the shampoo, especially if you're going to be using a shampoo that has stripping agents. If you've already done a treatment prior to that, it will still help your hair be manageable, especially if you complement it with a eating agent. This is going to be the first time I will be trying an oil prepoo, and I'll be taking you all along with me. At the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you how my hair feels after I am done with the prepoo. My hair is currently detangled, and I also dusted my ends. So if you're watching this and you are still holding tight to some ends because you think it is length, my dear, it is not length. Let that baby go and let your hair be healthy. Anyway, that's all about the introduction. Let's get straight. This is melted shea butter and I followed with pure almond oil. I added 3 spoons of this oil, but I would have you know that I was not following any particular measurements. I was just adding as the spirit desired. The next oil I followed with is coconut oil and I added 3 spoons of that as well. After this, I added olive oil, and you would notice that all of these are carrier oils. The only reason there is no essential oil in the mix is because it was finished. This is castor oil and it was just 1 spoon, which was what was left of the bottle. This is argan oil and I added the mix into the applicator bottle and shook it. After that, I decided to put it in a bowl that had hot water. This process is not necessary, especially if you would be using a steam cap as I did, but I simply wanted to warm up the oil and that was what I did. I decided not to take down my twist to put the oil treatment in my hair, simply choosing to take advantage of the fact that I had easy access and better access to my scalp this way. I focused on every section of my hair, the back of my hair, the middle section, the front of my hair. As I put the oil in, I massaged it with the pads of my fingers. I made sure not to neglect the strands of my hair and then my edges. I know that you are seeing just a few seconds of me massaging my edges here, but guys, if you know how long I spent on those edges, because they must grow. I also make sure not to neglect the strands of my hair and the ends of my hair. And then I massage thoroughly. Do this for about 7 minutes. And then I wear my nylon and then follow with my steam cap. I don't like to wear the steam cap directly, that's why I do this. If you'd like to see a review of the steam cap, I'm going to put it in the description. And then noodles. I had not eaten since I started my wash day at around 1 p.m. So I was catching up with food. And I'm going to let you see my actual reaction as I remove the steam cap. Enjoy. I loved how it felt in my hair. Like, it felt so soothing. This just feels... This even makes my hair stiff actually. Like, my hair is kind of stiff. But I guess I would know how exactly it will feel once I'm done shampooing my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair and we are going to come back and then I will show you how it is looking. Why did I shout? Why did I shout that out? You guys, Nepa just brought the lights. Hallelujah. Can you see this? Like, my hair is actually stiff. Like, good stiff, not bad stiff. If that makes any sense. I'll go wash my hair and then Alright guys, so I said I was going to show you how my hair felt after the hot oil treatment, and I can definitely tell you for a fact that this hot oil treatment actually helped with my washing, because I mean, I keep doing like this because I want you guys to see how my hands are gliding through. Like, it feels good. Simple, short, it feels good. So guys, if you're in doubt about trying to give yourself a hot oil treatment, please do, because your hair would definitely thank you. I'm loving how my hair feels. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, this feels good. Like, I'm still touching my hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have reached here, if you are here, if we are here together, come on, and you're not subscribed, come on, just do yourself that favor and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.